Hi kids, welcome to Achi TV English. Today we are going to learn about believing in yourself. Come, let's hear the story. Once a businessman lost 50 crores due to some mistakes in his company. He was very sad and went to a nearby park to sit there. Just then, a man who looked very rich came by and sat near him. Seeing the businessman sad, he asked,
"Why are you sad?"
To this, he replied,
"I have lost money in my business. I am heartbroken." "How much money did you lose?"
asked the man.
50 crore rupees.
Replied the businessman.
Is that so? Do you know who I am?
Asked the man and told the name of the richest guy in that place. The businessman was shocked.
Okay. If you have 50 crore rupees, would everything be alright?
Asked the rich man. To this, the businessman happily replied.
Yes, everything will be alright.
Then that old man took out a checkbook and signed it. Giving the check, he said,
Here, this is a 500 crore rupees check. It is 10 times more than what you asked. Handle everything. But 1 year later, you have to give it back to me. Next year, on this same day and place, I will be waiting.
Saying this, he handed the check and left. The businessman went hurriedly to his company. He entered the office and kept the check in his cupboard safely. Then he called his secretary to arrange a meeting with all his employees. All his employees attended the meeting and the businessman started talking.
Friends, our company has suffered a loss of 50 crores. Although at the moment I have 500 crores money, but I am not going to touch it. I want to find out why and how this loss happened. I want to find a solution to this problem and lead our company to success. For this, I need all your support,
said the businessman. One profitable year went by. When the accounts were done for the year, his company has made an amazing profit of 550 crores. Next morning itself, the man went to the same park bench where he received the check. As it was early morning, there was a heavy fog. Few moments later, he saw that far away, the same man was coming with a lady. Because of the fog, nothing was visible clearly. After a few seconds, the lady was coming alone. The old man was nowhere to be seen. So, the businessman asked the lady,
Ma'am, where is the old man who was walking with you?
To this, the lady replied nervously, Did that man bother you, sir? He said,
No, ma'am. Why do you ask?
The lady said, Actually, he is a madman. He tells everybody that he will give a check and gives everyone a fake check from an old checkbook. Hearing this, the businessman was speechless for a minute. Then he thought to himself,
If we believe in ourselves, then we can do anything. Self-confidence has saved me.
Kids, what did you learn? The moral of the story is, you should always believe in yourself in every work you do. Believing in yourself is the first secret to success, right? So, see you in the next story. Bye.